How's it going, guys? Welcome again to my channel. My name is Alex Pizarro, and today we're going to be unboxing this DJI dual grip for my Ronin S. So let's go ahead and get started with that unboxing. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it out from the box. Okay, so let's go ahead and disassemble that. Open it up really quick. So here, first in the box, you'll have the instructions. Then you'll have the actual brackets that go in the middle of the Ronin S, and it looks like you got some, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has some little small screws inward that you, like hexagon type screws, that you can definitely use, and we'll go ahead and basically unscrew it from there and get that going. Let's see what else is inside. So we'll remove that, and then we have the actual, the actual arms. Let's be the left and right arm. Then we have in the box another arm, and we have the handles. I'm assuming there they are, and I love the texture grip of this handle. It actually is really nice. Really actually enjoyed holding it for a long period of time. So I love the engraving of DJI on it. So also you want to have this end. You see where it says the DJI logo? Make sure that this end right here, this far end, is facing like this. So that mount goes like this, and then you put the other end on the other side, and then start screwing it. Focus on that. When you do get this, might be tight, so make sure you loosen it up. Should be able to see a gap that's gonna be a little bit apart. But once you have this loose, then you can start that. There it is. So make sure you do that with the other one, the other side as well. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have the actual button right there, and this is the release button. You see that, and basically this is what you're going to put it on this side, and it's just going to clip, and it also applies to this other side right here, which I already have done. Okay, one sec, we're going to go ahead and do that right now, and blam, you'll hear a click, and that's it. Okay, so once you hear that click, let me turn this around real quick so you guys can see. Okay, make sure you definitely tighten it up. Okay, so here's the little tightener. Make sure you tighten that up really good. So zoom in real quick, make sure you tighten it up after you click, and now everything should be much more stable. There you go. Okay, so let's just go over a few things here. So make sure in the box, put all your tools away. That's a must. Put all your tools away. Okay, so once you have that put in, put away. I'll save it in the box. Get all this junk out. Bam! It's already said and done. So again, this is what it's gonna look like. But overall, I like this style better, rather than holding it right here in the middle. I don't know. It does give you a workout, obviously, but your hands will get tired. This, however, it's worth it. Oh, it looks, it feels like it's so much lighter on your workload. So I'm actually filming from my camera right now, but once I have my camera on, I'll let you guys see the video, what it looks like with the handles and with holding it right here in the middle. But overall, I think it's gonna save me a lot of work to be able to do this. And if we look into actually here, to this middle part, you can actually switch one of these arms to the middle, so you can hang it like so, like at an angle. Looking down below. So let me do that actually. See if everything works out. So let me So again, you guys don't forget to go ahead and loosen it up, not all the way, but just loosen it up enough. Woo, it comes off. Pretty simple. Goes in there, clicks, and just tighten it up. That's it. Boom. Now you have a different way of how you want to shoot, but overall, it feels so much lighter. Actually, it's so weird to say that, but it's really cool. Okay, so let me go ahead and get you some samples really quick, and then I'll be right back. So this is gonna be with my hands in the middle, and just walking and walking backwards. Now we're gonna switch it to a handheld on the sides, okay? And here I go. Here I go, going forward and going backward. So I can definitely see the improvement, that how much it will help out. There you go. Alright guys, so thanks again for watching. Definitely did both of those comparisons by doing the holding the Ronin S by the middle here and by the handles. I actually didn't see any difference, in my opinion. However, when you hold it like this with these handles, they do make you feel it like it's a lot lighter, which is really interesting. But it does help you out with maneuvering, you know, your shots a lot better, and it get a lot more smoother. But I love the build quality. I'll definitely have other equipments, you know, a rig all set up here once I have the Canon R6, which I'm still waiting for it. So once I get that on there, everything, I'll show you guys, you know, how everything is going to be handled. And thanks again for tuning in. Do I recommend this dual grip? Absolutely will recommend it. Got it for $129 at B&H Photo. So again guys, my name is Alex, and so don't forget to stay tuned for my next videos coming up. I will be doing more unboxings and more reviews, and stay creative, and we'll catch you on the next one.